Welcome to today's English Phrases, an online English channel.
Di kantor pos.
At the post office. At the post office.
Apakah ada surat untukku hari ini?
Are there any letters for me today? Are there any letters for me today?
Apakah ada surat untukku hari ini?
Is there any mail for me today? Is there any mail for me today?
Apakah tukang posnya sudah datang?
Has the postman come yet? Has the postman come yet?
Jam berapa biasanya tukang pos datang?
What time does the postman usually come? What time does the postman usually come?
Berapa kalikah pengiriman dalam sehari?
How many deliveries are there per day? How many deliveries are there per day?
Ada beberapa surat yang terdaftar pagi ini.
There were several registered letters this morning. There were several registered letters this morning.
Sore tadi tidak ada pos.
There was no mail in the afternoon. There was no mail in the afternoon.
Di mana saya bisa mengirimkan surat ini?
Where can I post this letter? Where can I post this letter?
Maukah kamu mengirimkan surat ini untukku?
Would you mail this letter for me? Would you mail this letter for me?
Apakah ada kotak surat di dekat sini?
Is there a letterbox nearby? Is there a letterbox nearby?
Kapan pengantaran surat berikutnya?
When is the next collection? When is the next collection?
Berapa kalikah pengantaran surat sehari?
How many collections are there per day? How many collections are there per day?
Ini untuk surat lokal dan itu untuk surat luar negeri.
This is for local mail, and that is for foreign mail. This is for local mail, and that is for foreign mail.
Apakah ada pengantaran surat hari Minggu?
Are there any collections on Sunday? Are there any collections on Sunday?
Di mana kantor pos terdekat?
Where is the nearest post office? Where is the nearest post office?
Apakah kantor pos buka?
Is the post office open? Is the post office open?
Kantor pos umum buka sepanjang malam.
The general post office is open all night. The general post office is open all night.
Jam berapa kantor pos tutup?
What time does the post office close? What time does the post office close?
Saya ingin mengirimkan surat ini melalui pos udara.
I would like to send this letter by airmail. I would like to send this letter by airmail.
Berapa lama surat-surat itu sampai di sana?
How long will the letters take to get there? How long will the letters take to get there?
Yang manakah loket untuk perangko?
Which one is the counter for stamps, please? Which one is the counter for stamps, please?
Saya mau 10 perangko, masing-masing seharga $2.
I would like 10 stamps at $2 each. I would like 10 stamps at $2 each.
Aku sudah kehabisan perangko.
I have run out of stamps. I have run out of stamps.
Apakah perangko pada surat ini cukup?
Are there enough stamps on this letter? Are there enough stamps on this letter?
Dikembalikan karena ongkos kirim tidak mencukupi.
Returned for insufficient postage. Returned for insufficient postage.
Apakah Anda mengkoleksi perangko?
Do you collect stamps? Do you collect stamps?
Ia mempunyai koleksi perangko yang sangat berharga.
He has a very valuable stamps collection. He has a very valuable stamps collection.
Berapa ongkos kirim ke London?
What is the postage to London? What is the postage to London?
Anda harus pergi ke konter berikutnya untuk mendapatkan perangko.
You will have to go to the next counter for stamps. You will have to go to the next counter for stamps.
Perangko ada di loket sebelah sana.
Stamps are over at that counter. Stamps are over at that counter.
Di mana loket untuk surat tercatat?
Which counter is for registered letters? Which counter is for registered letters?
Dapatkah saya mengirimkan paket ini?
Can I register this parcel? Can I register this parcel?
Bisakah saya minta tanda terimanya?
Can I have a receipt, please? Can I have a receipt, please?
Bisakah saya mengasuransikan paket ini?
Can I insure this parcel? Can I insure this parcel?
Berapa nilai barang ini?
What is the value of this goods? What is the value of this goods?
Apa isi paket ini?
What are the contents of this parcel? What are the contents of this parcel?
Bisakah saya mengirimkan paket ini ke luar negeri?
Can I send this parcel abroad? Can I send this parcel abroad?
Anda harus membuat laporan pabean.
You will have to make a customs declaration. you will have to make a customs declaration.
Contoh, tidak ada nilainya.
Samples, no commercial value. Samples, no commercial value.
Bisakah Anda mengisi formulir ini?
Can you fill this form in? Can you fill this form in?
Kemana paketnya akan dikirim?
Where is the parcel going to? Where is the parcel going to?
Siapa nama penerimanya?
What is the addressee's name? What is the addressee's name?
Tolong cantumkan nama pengirimnya di sini.
Put the name of the sender here, please. Put the name of the sender here, please.
Saya akan menimbang paket ini.
I will put this parcel on the scales. I will put this parcel on the scales.
Berapa beratnya?
How much does it weigh? How much does it weigh?
Apakah beratnya melampaui batas?
Is the weight over the limit? Is the weight over the limit?
Berapa berat maksimum yang dibolehkan?
What is the maximum weight allowed? What is the maximum weight allowed?
Berapa ongkos kirim paket ini?
What is the postage on this parcel? What is the postage on this parcel?
Paket ini terlalu besar untuk diposkan.
This package is too large to post. This package is too large to post.
Surat ini terlalu berat.
This letter is overweight. This letter is overweight.
Apakah Anda punya amplop pos udara?
Have you got some airmail envelopes? Have you got some airmail envelopes?
Saya ingin mengirimkan surat ini ekspres.
I would like to send this letter express. I would like to send this letter express.
Tak satu pun amplop ini disegel.
None of these letters are sealed. None of these letters are sealed.
Bisakah saya minta kertas tulis biasa?
Can I have some plain writing paper, please? Can I have some plain writing paper, please?
Bisakah saya menggunakan kop surat perusahaan saya?
Can I use my company heading? Can I use my company heading?
Di mana loket pembayarannya?
Where's the counter for payments? Where's the counter for payments?
Saya ingin menguangkan pos wesel ini.
I would like to cash this postal order, please. I would like to cash this postal order, please.
Tolong tanda tangan di sini.
Sign here, please. Sign here, please.
Apakah Anda mempunyai tanda pengenal?
Have you any form of identification? Have you any form of identification?
Bisakah saya mengirim wesel pos ke Jakarta?
Can I send a postal order to Jakarta, please? Can I send a postal order to Jakarta, please?
Apakah Anda ingin mengirimkannya biasa atau segera?
Do you want to send it ordinary or urgent? Do you want to send it ordinary or urgent?
Jika tidak ada yang menerima, silahkan kembalikan ke alamat ini.
If unclaimed, please return to this address. If unclaimed, please return to this address.
Jangan lupa like, subscribe, share, komen, dan bagikan video ini sebanyak-banyaknya. Semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih.